Misplacing an item can lead to serious manufacturing issues, including loss of productivity and higher costs. So how can you track valuable assets and gain control of your processes? With an RFID system from Radley Corporation, you can accurately track inventory, equipment, and assets in your facilities while reducing costs and manual efforts. Radley's end-to-end RFID solution combines best-in-class RFID hardware with the software or middleware needed to capture key data. Using our configurable and flexible IntelliLabel technology, you can track multiple data elements with a single scan at any point in the process. Easily integrate your ERP, business systems, and legacy systems to track inventory and assets in real time. Boost accuracy and efficiency, view key metrics, reduce material expenses, and meet compliance requirements. Radley provides a complete RFID tracking system from consulting and hardware selection to implementation and training. After an operational analysis by our experienced consultants, we'll create RFID solutions designed for your unique processes. Then we'll ensure successful installation. Finally, you'll be trained on your RFID solution so you're able to quickly realize a return on your investment. If it's time for a tracking solution that meets your needs, contact a Radley product specialist today.